Hello and welcome to our channel. Today we are going to download and use Qwen3 Coder Next model. I will be using LM Studio for running this model. So this model is an open weight language model designed especially for coding agents and local development. So we will be using this for local development, agentically trained on large scale executable task synthesis and reinforcement learning, obtaining strong coding and agentic capabilities. So this is the model, and we are going to download the 3-bit quantized model. Click here and this will give you option to download the model. Either you can download the GGUF file yourself and use it, or click here and click on LM Studio, and this is going to open the LM Studio for downloading the model. So it's a 38 GB and it is saying large model. Because I have 32 GB of RAM and 16 GB of GPU RAM, I should be able to run this model. Click download and the model is being downloaded and it is going to take around 1 hour. I will wait for the download to complete and come back once it is done. Model is downloaded successfully. The model is Qwen3 Coder Next GGUF Q3 AM. Now we can load this model. First of all, now select the model Qwen3 Coder Next and GPU offload. Then set the token size to 65,000. Let me eject this model. Now select Qwen3 model. Increase the token size to 65,000 and click on load model. So I will also enable the server. And start the server. Go to server setting and enable serve on local network. So if you click on serve on local network, then you will be able to access this model from other computers as well. So this is the IP address for accessing the model. So this model is loaded and we can go into the chat, and this model is loaded. We can say hi and it is sending the message to the Qwen3 Next model. So we are able to use Qwen3 model. So we are able to use Qwen3 Coder Next model into the LM Studio, and I will show you how you can connect these to LM Studio. Open the terminal and here type code dot open the code editor, Visual Studio Code, trust this project, and next we need to install the Cline. Search for Cline. This is autonomous coding agent. Write in your IDE capable of creating, editing files, running. So click on install to install it. Trust the publisher and install. So you can see, follow my cursor. Here we have the client. Next we are connected to the client. Click on bring my own model. Continue and select the OpenAI AI compatible and enter the URL. Enter this URL, copy base URL and /v1 slash OpenAI key. You can enter anything. And model ID. Qwen3 Coder Next model. Copy this and put the model ID here. Now we are done. Continue OK. Then message hi. So it is thinking and you can see the message here. We can see the task manager performance and it is using around 16 GB of GPU and over 31 GB of RAM. So almost all RAM is being used. Let's wait a little bit. Still working. It is saying about all this thing. Hello, I am Cline. I am an AI powered software engineer assistant. I can help you with various tasks, this and that. So create a simple now it is thinking. So you see it is creating the program. It is asking for save the program. Yes, save and everything. All auto approve. Now it is created the program hello world.java here. Next I will show you how you can create a game in HTML. Create a complete self-contained car racing game in single HTML file. The game includes all these features. Copy this prompt and it is still working, so let's wait a little bit. So Java is not installed, so that is saying Java is unrecognized and the Java command is not found with means Java development kit might not be installed on your system or not in path, so it is skipping. Next, so this is skipped. Now I will it is explaining all the steps to install Java and then run the program. Cline is very good code assistant and you can use locally with the Qwen3 Coder Next model. Now I will enter this prompt for creating the game. Create a self-contained car racing game in HTML file and these are the features. So send this. Now it is thinking and you can see the RAM and CPU usage. Memory is almost used. 16 GB of GPU memory is used and 31 GB of RAM is used. Now it is creating car racing game. You can see here doc type HTML, lang English, header and so on. I'll pause this video and come back again once this HTML file is created. It will take over 10 minutes to create this car racing game. So this is the car racing game that is completed and we can play like this. This OK like car game application in HTML. In this tutorial, I showed you how you can download the Qwen3 Coder Next model and run it on LM Studio, then enable the local server and then use this URL into the client and then develop the game. Thanks for watching the video and subscribe our channel for more tutorials and videos.